Hi, I'm Elmer from K Builders, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to repair a hole in the drywall. For repairing the hole in the drywall, I'm going to need patching compound, a sanding block for after the repair, a spackle blade, and a spackle pan. First thing we want to do is we want to prep the hole. Usually what happens on drywall is when there is a hole there, you get ridging on the outside of it. So what we want to do is we want to reset that ridging so that the spackle can fill the area. And by doing that, I'm going to be using the back of the spackle blade. Now what you have to do is you have to apply a little pressure, not a whole lot, around the hole to reset the outer part. After you have recessed the drywall around the hole, you want to take your spackling compound, put a little bit on your blade, and push down and fill the area. Now what you're going to have to do after you do that is you're going to have to just apply a little pressure and smooth over top. And you may have to do that a couple of times because of the air. And you want to fill a little bit more than what you actually need there so you have room for your sanding. And what I'm doing with the blade is I'm just cleaning it off so it makes a smoother drag over top of the compound. Okay, now all we have to do is come back and sand and paint it once it dries. Okay, now that the spackle has dried, all we have to do is sand and then paint. Now I usually use a medium to fine pad. What you want to do with your sanding block is to go around the edges at first. As you can see here, they are a little bit ridged. Okay, what you want to do is blend that in to the look that's alongside of it. Sand around the edges. Now you can see when I see a little bit of the color of the actual wall blending in, that's when you want to stop. Okay, and you do that all around the repair. Okay, then after you've blended the edges in, what you want to do is you'll see the middle is a little bit higher. Okay, now the reason I do around the edges first is so that I don't sand too deeply to reveal the actual hole. Okay, so when I go over the middle now, my main interest there is just to smooth the middle so it's a nice smooth surface. Okay, and then what you do is you rub over your hand. You could feel when you're smooth and when it's a level surface by rubbing your hand back and forth. Okay, I've got to take a little bit more. Okay, now that it's smooth, you're ready to paint. And thank you for viewing our video on how to repair drywall.